Welcome to the world of agriculture technologies, designed to make farmers' lives easier and more productive. From precision farming to automated irrigation systems, these technologies are revolutionizing the way crops are grown and harvested. Using drones for crop monitoring and soil analysis allows farmers to make data-driven decisions for better yields. Smart farming equipment, such as GPS-guided tractors, optimizes field operations and reduces waste. Biotechnology advancements have led to disease-resistant crops and improved livestock breeds, ensuring food security. Innovative greenhouse technologies create ideal growing conditions, extending the growing season and increasing crop quality. The integration of LOT sensors and AI algorithms enables real-time monitoring and management of agricultural processes. By embracing these technologies, farmers can enhance sustainability and environmental stewardship in their operations. The future of agriculture is here, and it's driven by cutting-edge technologies that empower farmers to thrive in a rapidly changing world.